What if I told you there's one exercise that has the power to completely transform your body? How it looks, feels, and moves. Meet the kettlebell swing, a deceptively simple move with the potential to revolutionize your fitness journey. This isn't just another workout, it's the key to unlocking your body's full potential. Picture this: one exercise that enhances your strength, skyrockets your endurance, and sculpts your physique, all while fitting effortlessly into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're chasing ambitious fitness goals or just aiming to feel stronger and more confident, the kettlebell swing is your ultimate tool for achieving a healthier, more powerful you. What makes the kettlebell swing truly remarkable is its dual-action magic. It's both a strength-building powerhouse and a heart-pumping cardio session. With every swing, you activate multiple muscle groups, building explosive power and unwavering stability, all while sending your heart rate soaring. It's like combining a full-blown weightlifting session with an intense cardio burn in one fluid motion. Say goodbye to boring treadmill runs. The kettlebell swing offers the best of both worlds, maximizing your time and delivering jaw-dropping results. Here's a surprising fact: the kettlebell swing is a calorie-burning machine. In just 20 minutes, you can incinerate up to 400 calories. That's equivalent to running a 6-minute mile, but without the repetitive pounding on your joints. By engaging large muscle groups and keeping your heart rate elevated, this exercise transforms your body into a fat-burning furnace. Even better, thanks to the afterburn effect, your metabolism stays fired up long after you've finished, meaning you'll continue burning calories while relaxing on the couch. Beyond calorie burn, the kettlebell swing is a masterclass in functional fitness. It targets the powerhouse muscles of your posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, and core. These muscle groups aren't just for aesthetics. They play a vital role in posture, power, and overall movement efficiency. Strong glutes enhance athletic performance and protect your lower back. Robust hamstrings improve balance and agility, and a fortified core shields you from injuries. The kettlebell swing is more than a workout. It's a ticket to moving better, performing at your best, and feeling absolutely unstoppable. When it comes to building explosive power and enhancing athleticism, the kettlebell swing stands in a league of its own. Every swing harnesses the raw force generated from your hips, directly translating into improved performance in activities like sprinting, jumping, and heavy lifting. Whether you're an athlete striving for peak performance or someone who wants to move with greater ease and efficiency, this exercise is your ultimate secret weapon. By seamlessly blending speed and strength, the kettlebell swing sharpens your ability to generate force quickly, a vital skill for excelling in sports and conquering everyday challenges alike. In today's sedentary world, where long hours of sitting wreak havoc on our bodies, the kettlebell swing emerges as a dynamic antidote. Prolonged sitting weakens muscles, disrupts posture, and often leads to persistent back pain. But this powerful exercise targets often neglected muscles like the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, counteracting the imbalances and stiffness caused by our inactive lifestyles. With every swing, you'll strengthen your foundation, improve your posture, and regain freedom of movement. It's not just a workout, it's a solution for reclaiming your body's natural strength and resilience. To unlock the full potential of the kettlebell swing, mastering proper technique is non-negotiable. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding the kettlebell firmly with both hands. Hinge at your hips, not your waist, and let the kettlebell swing back between your legs. Then, explode forward by driving through your hips, using that momentum to propel the kettlebell to chest or shoulder height. Keep your arms relaxed. The power should come from your hips, not your arms. Throughout the motion, maintain a flat back, engage your core, and ensure every movement is controlled. Perfecting your form not only maximizes results, but also keeps you safe from injury. In a world where time is at a premium, the kettlebell swing respects your busy schedule. This total body exercise delivers incredible benefits without demanding hours of your day. Just a few minutes of swinging is enough to activate multiple muscle groups, elevate your heart rate, and burn significant calories. Whether you're sneaking in a quick workout between meetings or maximizing efficiency during a gym session, kettlebell swings offer unmatched value, allowing you to stay fit and strong without compromising your packed routine. Looking for a workout that's both efficient and incredibly effective? Give this powerful routine a try. Perform 30 seconds of kettlebell swings, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat this cycle for 10 rounds. In just 10 minutes, you'll elevate your heart rate, engage nearly every muscle in your body, and torch calories, all in record time. As you build strength, increase the kettlebell weight or tack on additional rounds for an even more challenging session. Want to take it up a notch? Pair swings with bodyweight moves like squats or push-ups to create a comprehensive full-body workout, perfect for even the busiest schedules. So, what kind of results can you expect from committing to this routine? Within weeks, you'll feel stronger and notice improvements in your endurance, particularly in your glutes, hamstrings, and core. By the 1-month mark, many report improved posture, reduced lower back pain, and enhanced power in everyday tasks like lifting groceries or climbing stairs. If your goal is fat loss and muscle definition, the kettlebell swing delivers transformative results. With consistent effort, you could see significant fat loss and lean muscle gains within just 2 to 3 months. And these changes won't just redefine how you look, they'll revolutionize how you feel. But the kettlebell swing isn't just about physical transformation. This powerhouse exercise offers a host of benefits for your overall well-being. As your strength builds, you'll likely notice a boost in energy levels and mental sharpness. Regular swings can reduce stress, improve your mood, and give you a confidence boost. Stronger core muscles and better posture mean less strain on your joints and improved balance, setting you up for greater resilience in both your workouts and everyday life. The kettlebell swing isn't just an exercise, it's a full-body upgrade that makes you stronger, more capable, and more confident. Incorporating kettlebell swings into your fitness routine is simple and highly versatile. Start small by adding them to your warm-up, or using them as a quick standalone session when time is tight. Already have a full workout schedule? Swings make an excellent addition to your strength or cardio days. Pair them with bodyweight exercises like lunges, burpees, or mountain climbers for a powerful circuit that challenges your entire body. The key is consistency. Make kettlebell swings a regular part of your routine, and you'll see lasting, transformative results. As you progress, adjust the weight, reps, or rounds to keep pushing your limits while always listening to your body. Ready to transform your body? Start swinging today and see the results. Share with a friend and subscribe for more. Let's crush those goals.